Hello everyone! Today we are going to create this very cute paper bird finger puppet, and we are going to get inspired by this picture over here from Gustavo Rosa to create our bird. So all we need to make this finger puppet, it's a piece of paper, scissors and markers. So first of all, with a paper like this, you can make two birds. So first you fold in half, crease the paper, and then cut. Now we are going to create a square out of this paper here. So we fold the paper again, crease this part, and then trim this other part. Now we have a square. What are we going to do? You open the paper. You are going to place this edge in the middle, in the center of the paper. It's like creating a kite. So this side and the other side. Great, now you fold. So our finger puppet is almost done. Now we need to find the center of this line over here. So you are gonna place these two edges together, and you are gonna crease a little bit at the end of the paper here. And when you open, you are gonna see a little mark over there. Now you are going to make a line, make a crease from here to here. So the point that you marked to the end of this point. Crease again. So this part is gonna be your beak, and this is going to be the body. So now what do? You just wrap this paper around. So I'm going to wrap this part around. And this little edge over here, you are gonna tuck inside this part. And it's done. Now we flip it, and our finger puppet is done. Now we just have to decorate it. And ta-da! Our finger paper bird is done.